Hello everyone, I ordered something from the Flipkart. Packaging is really not good. I'm not satisfied. But thank God, hopefully I received my product safely. It is TNW product sunscreen in the spray form. So, newly launched product, affordable, doesn't have any fragrance, but not satisfied with the spray bottle. It is not working as much as good as my expectation, but I liked it. I hope you will also like it. Thank you. Bye bye.